National Weather Service has more severe thunderstorm warnings coming out right now across North Texas. Stand by as we alert our other stations on WBAP. It is 3:20 coming up, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning coming up for northeastern Dallas County and also into Collin County right now. These storms have been marginally severe, but they have been kind of over the threshold with some 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, quarter-sized tail, torrential rains, and so forth. If you've been out in the middle of some of these storms, you know what I'm talking about. And by the way, we have some non-severe storms south of the severe thunderstorm warning area. And they're also pretty difficult to drive through, right around downtown Dallas, also down toward Mansfield, Waxahachie, Cleburne, and Itasca. Strong thunderstorms underway, torrential rains affecting on I-35W, south of I-20, and also all the way down toward Meridian, Bosque County, and Lake Whitney in those areas. So this is just kind of one of those days where we have marginally severe thunderstorms that are moving across the area from south to north with a little bit of an eastward drift, and that's what these storms are doing right now. Severe thunderstorm warnings are coming out right now for Collin County, Hunt County, Grayson, and Fannin counties until 4 o'clock. Just let me know, Garrett, when the warnings have cleared the area, and we'll put those back on. This is all part of a larger upper-level storm system that is really just now moving through extreme West Texas, moving slowly to the east, and it's producing extremely heavy rains because we have upper-level instability, that is lift in the atmosphere, along with some very juicy Gulf air that we've been getting over the last couple of days with the strong south wind. And so you put the upper-level lift along with the Gulf moisture, and then we're getting severe weather moving across the area. And the storms are even worse up in Oklahoma and the Arklatex into Ozarks as well. Right now, let's go ahead and put those warnings on the air. Our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for northwestern Hunt County, eastern Collin County, portions of Grayson and Fannin counties until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm located near the community of Wiley moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hunt, southeastern Grayson, southwestern Fannin, and for eastern Collin counties until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm located near Wiley, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, and those are the warnings that are active right now. Back to James. Thank you.
Welcome back.